Hello students, I am Shweta ma'am. Today I will take your SST session. We will learn the lesson 5 from theme 2. Chapter name is The Constitution of India. This is the important chapter. What is constitution? A constitution is a body of rules, laws and principles on the basis of which country is governed. Thus, it is the supreme law in the country. Our constitution also assures liberty, justice, equality, fraternity to its citizen. Some important elements of our constitution. The preamble, the fundamental rights and duties, and the directive principle are the most important elements of the Constitution of India. The preamble is the introduction to the Constitution. It describes as sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, and republic. Sovereign means, that means, what do you understand by sovereign? It means India is not ruled by any other country or power. It is a free nation. Socialist. The country treats everyone equally with regards to the distribution of resources and opportunities. Next, secular. Treats every religion equally. It treats every religion equally and does not support any other religion. Democratic. A government in which power lies in the hands of the people who elect representatives to form the government. And last, republic. A republic is a nation in which the leader or head is elected by the people. India is headed by an elected president, unlike Britain, whose head of the state is a hereditary monarch. Okay? Learn the chapter before fundamentals, rights and duties. Okay? I will give you some homework. You will do the homework in your copy. Okay? Thank you. Later I will come back later. Okay?